He walked into court wearing a ball cap and arrogance. 3 minutes later, the judge didn't just remove his hat, he removed his future. Everyone in the courtroom turned when Travis strutted in. Hat low, chewing gum, hands in his pockets. 22 years old, cocky, loud, and charged with vandalism and resisting arrest. His public defender whispered, "Travis, please take off your hat." He scoffed. "Nah, let the judge say something. This whole system's a joke anyway. Bad move." The courtroom stood as Judge Halberd entered. A stern man with 30 years on the bench, a reputation for fairness, and zero tolerance for disrespect. He sat down. "Mr. Travis Kent, do you know where you are?" Travis leaned back, arms crossed. "A circus, apparently." Gasps. His mom, sitting in the back row, visibly shrank. The judge paused. "I see. Well, let me be very clear, young man. This is a courtroom. Your attitude is already on trial, along with your actions." Still, Travis didn't remove his hat. "Sir," the judge said, voice calm but cold, "I'll give you one chance. Show respect. Remove your hat, or I will consider your conduct in sentencing." Travis smirked. Freedom of expression, right? The courtroom went dead silent. Judge Halberd nodded slowly, then flipped through his notes. "Let's proceed to sentencing, then." Everyone blinked. Even the defense lawyer. "Wait, Your Honor, we haven't—" "We have," the judge interrupted. "His behavior speaks volumes." Then the judge read the victim impact letter aloud. A heartfelt note from a local small business owner whose store Travis had spray painted and whose elderly mother he'd shoved during his escape. Tears filled the room. Still, Travis leaned back unmoved. Judge Halberd looked him dead in the eyes. "I was prepared to offer probation, community service, and a chance at restorative justice. You had a path. But your actions today, defiant, arrogant, and completely remorseless, tell me everything I need to know." He banged the gavel. 6 months county jail, followed by a year of supervised probation and mandatory counseling. Travis jumped up. "What? For wearing a hat?" The judge stood. "No, Mr. Kent, not for wearing a hat, but for what wearing that hat meant." Silence again. As bailiffs cuffed Travis, he looked to his mother. She just shook her head, tears falling. As they led him away, she turned to the judge and said softly, "Thank you. Maybe now he'll finally learn." Outside, reporters had already caught wind of the moment. The clip of Travis refusing to remove his hat went viral, but not for the reasons he expected. It wasn't about freedom. It was about respect, and it cost him his rights. At least for now. Sometimes one small act says everything about who we are.